Yeah, so I had a contract last week, and I think today is the best way or the best day to sign it. So, yeah, I'm going with my friend to sign it, and today's date is 19th March 2024. So, we are still making the money till we get $1,000 before 20 the poll. So, we are going to commercial to sign the deal, and after that, when I come back, we'll still continue our money making journey. Pop, pop. So right now we are back. We are back from Kumasi, and the deal was successful. Yeah. So that one is for Vandal Technology Company. So I will not add the money to what I'm doing right now. So this right now thing is my own personal thing that I want to raise $1,000 before 20 April, and this is the second day. So today's date is 19th March. Yes, 19th March. Yeah. So I think we are around 122. So I'll put everything on the screen for you to see. So we'll continue from there to today. So we are late, but Charlie business. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel in case you love it and also appreciate the things I'm doing. And if you want to enroll in my class, my arbitrage class, how I always do to make money, I have the link in the description. That's the website randotechnology.com. Go there and book the session, and let's start. Yeah, so let's start and let's make money. Pow. today is Tuesday, and Tuesday I have a lot of Zoom meeting with lots of my foreign clients. Yeah, so my PR just called me that they need my attention. So I think today, for my personal thing, I think this one's okay. So let me attend to Randall company and let's keep it going. So don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this content, please share. The next one they say in the rhymes.